Hi, welcome back to the third and final part of the Sifter demo. Let's talk about searching. You've already seen filtering, which is one actually very powerful way to filter the data you're looking at, but we also have an even more detailed search capability. So whatever table you're displaying currently, if you click on the search button here in the upper left, it will bring up a search field. And you can either show the most important fields, we call the basic fields, or if you want to see everything, just click on all fields. This gives you the ability to search on any field in the entire table. So, for example, birth year. Let's say we wanted to find authors in our list who were born between 1800 and 1810. Let's try that. So I hit search now, and these searches, by the way, can be saved with names. You can come back to them later. And immediately we see there are 74 authors in the list who were born, and here we can see birth year all between 1800 and 1810. And of course, you can add many different criteria all at once to this list. So this is a very powerful searching mechanism. There is also a general purpose search tool called multi-search, which is also available on the home page. And what this does is it searches across several different of the key tables across a few of the main columns. So it's not as detailed. You can actually see which fields are searched here in which tables. But let's say we wanted to search for something like saffron. Search now. And what this is going to return is several sections, one for authors, one for works, one for sections, details, items, and item translations. And each of these, it's searching for the word saffron and some key fields in each of these tables. You can see there are no authors named saffron, there are no works that mention saffron. However, there are 21 recipes that mention saffron, and it's showing you the first 10 of those. You can scroll down those 10, but if you'd like to see them all, just click on See All. That will open up the sections table to that particular list, and you can see these are all of the recipes that mention saffron. Saffron souffle, potage of frogs with saffron, saffron cakes, etc. Now back here you see there were also details. This is one of our medieval books that's been entered, and it has many references to saffron here in the details section. So many of their recipes. These are books in where we have more details entered. So there's actually 122 details. There are 3 items. Saffron looks to be listed twice along with saffron milk cap. And then saffron is translated into many different languages, which you can see here as well. If you were at the home page and you type saffron in right here, it would do exactly the same thing as if you typed it here. So that is our general search feature. And then lastly, I'd like to talk about one of the new features that we're just about to make available called Maps and Charts. If you're on a table that has maps and charts available, you can click down here in the lower right, and it will give you a list of available charts. Let's view, say, authors by birth year. All right, so here we can see that most of our authors are born in the 1800s, with some going further back. We also have, let's say, by gender. Actually, more female than male. Let's close this and try a different table. The works table has actually the most charts available. Click on Map Chart. And let's look at works by language. And here you can see most of these works are in English, but there's quite a few in French, German, Italian, etc. Works by country. Works by decade. And we do have one which is geographically based by city, in which it shows an actual map. And you can zoom in here and see where these were published and how many. 37. Rome had 20. Croatia, 68. Now, I want to point out that the chart is based on what you're seeing. If you were to first filter this information then the chart would only be reflecting the filtered data. All right, I believe that is all I wanted to get through at this time. I wanted to leave time for questions and answers and other things in our demonstration. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.